How to play Wuthering Waves in low-end mobile. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you learn how to play Wuthering Waves on a low-end Android phone by using the best settings and a few tricks to make the game run smoother. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Game Settings. First, open the game and go to Settings. Then, tap on Graphics. Step 2. Apply these settings. Now, change your settings in the lowest possible for better performance. Graphics quality, low. Resolution, low. Frame rate, 30 FPS. Anti-aliasing, off. Shadows, off. Effects must be in low. Render distance, near. And motion blur, off. These settings will reduce lag and overheating. Step 3. Optimize your phone. Next, let's optimize your phone. Here's what to do. Close all background apps. Turn on gaming mode on performance mode if your phone has it. Go to settings, battery, app management, find the Wuthering Waves, and set it to unrestricted. Step 4. Use a Game Booster app. You can also try apps like Game Booster for X Faster to free up RAM and improve performance. Tip: reduce device resolution. For tech-savvy users, lowering your screen resolution using developer options or ADB can help. But be careful, this step is optional and not recommended for everyone. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to make your Wuthering Waves playable on a low-end device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.